Today's question is, why can't we stop thinking? To stop thinking would mean to be brain dead, to shut down the brain's function as an organ. Thinking is just part of what it does. What we actually want is to stop overthinking, which usually means to stop negative thinking. You wouldn't mind to overthink positively, right? Also, only negative thinking seems to get out of hand, to proliferate uncontrollably. So, what is negative thinking? It is thinking that wants something else than that which is. That is a conflict, a problem, the mind makes for itself to solve. That is its function, to solve problems. Now, this function in itself is not the problem. For example, you don't mind solving a math problem or finding out when your train is going to come. Such problems might even vitalize you in the process of solving them. You want to stop thinking about problems that are about yourself. Such problems are not there. In the present moment, like math problems, they lie in the past or the future, as memories and imagination. The brain collects material from the past and future to fuel its problem-solving urge, which means it creates problems from it. There are several solutions. 1. Never want something else than what is. Whatever unfolds in front of you, accept it immediately as a new fact, without any resistance and hesitation. In short, without any negation. 2. Drain the negative narration of its material, all your memories. Only attend to what is there in the now. Don't let your brain use memories for its problem-solving function. Now, these two actions cannot be accomplished by themselves. They get accomplished automatically through another action, which is observation. Observe the problem as it gets created, and it will dissolve over time. As in observation, your attentional energy cannot be used to think of a problem in the first place. The mind that observes doesn't think.